Well, I guess Royal's New Year's resolution is he wants to be more adventurous, so I kind of talked him into going out on the highway and running that heap up to see how fast it'll go.
I'm excited. I'm going to see how far I can get that speedometer up in this short distance.
I think this is very stupid and childish on the part of not only Royal, but especially Mark. The roads are wet, it's very dangerous. And I don't think Mark should be antagonizing Royal, and I don't think Royal should be attempting to take his car over 100 miles an hour today.
It's a little wet. I hope I don't chicken out.
I've known Royal since he was 10 years old. Adventure is not part of his game, okay? But I'm sending Josh along with a camcorder.
Oh my God, yeah! Whoa!
Just to make sure his story doesn't go from like 110 to 150 miles an hour.
I hope they both get tickets by the police.
So I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, so me and Royal are about to race this wonderful Coronet. We're excited. Royal is excited. Royal is a professional race car driver. He's amazing. He's a madman.
Get a little farther ahead or I'll be on top of them in seconds.
Here goes.
All right, here we go. American muscle. Listen to that.
How fast did you go, fool? 130?
Really?
It sure looked good coming down the road.
I did it. 130 on wet roads. That's adventurous or stupid.
I thought it was ridiculous.
That was a blast, man. You know, we were doing about $130 in the rain.
It was very foolish on Royal's part, I thought, today. Going 130 miles an hour or over 100 miles an hour and they're wet.
I was pretty nervous. I'm still a little shaky, but that was cool.
I thought it was all nonsense. Everybody knows the car will do 120, 130 miles an hour.
Today, we defied death. Way to go, Royal. World's best driver, Royal YOAKUM.
I guess that's me being more adventurous.
And it was just ridiculous. Not only is Royal's life in danger, but he put the life of Josh in danger. All because of Mark.
Playing the game, huh?
I was against this from the start.
Well, I guess that was his version to living out in the wildlife. If that's stepping out, I want to see the videos. All I got, yeah. That's it, Granny.
We buzzed the tower doing about 130 miles an hour in the rain. They didn't like it. That's all right, we did.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.